Hi, this is Dr. Xu, teaching mine ventilation for mining engineering college students. In this video, I will show you how to create a regulator for controlling the airflow distribution. I will use this basic model example that I have used before. If for some reason the flow direction is pushing down instead of pulling up, you can click Edit Airways, select the fan, and click Reverse. Simulate. Now you can see the airflow now is reversed. I will change it back to exhausting ventilation for this example. Close. Make sure here you select airflow, and here you select quantity. So you can see the airflow quantity next to each airway. The total airflow to the mine is 120 cubic meter per second, and 52 is distributed to the top branch, and the lower branch has 67 cubic meter per second. If you need 80 cubic meter per second in the top branch without changing the total airflow quantity to the mine, we can put a regulator in the lower airway and restrict airflow in it, so more air will be pushed to the top airway. So if we regulate the airflow in the lower branch down to 40, then there will be 80 pushing to the top branch. Basically, we can partially block the lower airway to cause congestion in it, so air will not move easily in the lower airway and more air will be forced to move from the top airway. The block effect we are going to place is called a regulator. It increases the resistance in the airway to cause the congestion effect. Click Edit Airways. Click the lower airway where we need to place the regulator on. Make sure you select this airway icon. There are two options of regulators. The first one is the louver type regulator. By continuously adjusting the opening angle of the louvers, the regulator can be adjusted from fully open to fully closed. Find attributes from the Edit window. From resistance type, select regulator. From regulator, select louver regulator. If we pick the opening as 100, apply and run the simulation, we can see that the flow in this airway is only reduced a little amount, from 67 to 65. Change it to 70. Apply and simulate. We have got 50 in this airway and 69 in the top airway. We need to further close the louver so the airflow in this airway can be decreased more, and more air will be pushed to the top airway. Change it to 50. Apply and simulate. Now we got 84 in the top airway. This is more than 80, which means the regulator in the lower airway is closed too much and we need to open it a bit more. Change it to 56. Apply and simulate. Now we have 80 in the top airway and 40 in the lower airway. The second regulator type is fixed size regulator. This type of regulator is less expensive and requires little maintenance, especially if you don't need to change its size frequently. In Ventsim, it's called orifice. I will delete the current regulator to show the orifice. Simulate. So now it goes back to the original model. Edit the lower airway. From resistance type, select orifice. We need to specify the opening size of this orifice to achieve 40 cubic meters per second in this airway. Thus 80 cubic meters per second of air will go to the top airway here. We can use the trial and error process. For example, I start with 5 square meter of the opening size. Apply and simulate. We got 26, which is less than 40. We need to increase the opening. Increase it to 10. Apply simulate. Now we've got 44 here and 75 here. This is close to what is required. Further reduce the size to 8.5. Apply simulate. Now we have achieved the desired flow of 40 here and 80 here. There are more options that you can do with regulators. If you want to know more, you can always find the software menu from the help. Display menu. The PDF file user guide is open. Press Ctrl and the F key together on the keyboard. To search the keywords, I put regulator here. And here it has a section on regulators. You can go to that page and read more information. Alright, this is Dr. Xu. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumb up, subscribe my channel and share it to your friend who may be benefited from this video. I will see you in the next video.